Look what the cat dragged in.
Holy shit, Dooley.
George.
Hey. What the fuck are you doing out here?
Oh, man, I'll tell you, I was walking down the beach, I was minding my business, right? Who do I see? This fucking guy. No, you guys were living out in California.
Yeah, what are you doing out here?
I'm on vacation, man. I'm on my way back to school.
Oh. Well, this calls for a joint. You want to do the honors?
No, man. Too fucked up.
It's nice weed, huh?
Fuck yeah. Never seen anything like this. I'm fucking wasted.
Right on.
Man. Fucking stoned. Fucking stoned. I'm really stoned. I'm fucking stoned, man. I'm really...
Stoned?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, I wish there was stuff like this back at home.
Yeah?
Fuck yeah. You know how much money you can make with this stuff back east?
Yeah?